What's up, guys? I'm back to this. Started this over a year ago, cutting that out, and then we moved, and then I started working on another place because I was getting frustrated. But I've learned a lot more. Well, I don't know where to look. Can you see me? Oh, it's this side. I've learned a lot more about the about welding now, so hopefully I'll do a little bit better. But I'm going to go ahead and clean this line up here, and just clean the cuts up, and do some cleaning down here to see if I can see what my best action is going to be to attack this. So that's what I'm doing. So this is what I've got going on so far. I'm just doing a lot of cleanup on here, and I think I'm going to, I found another piece of my desk that I think will work in here. So that's going to be the plan. Let me go to the inside and let you see what I got. Guys, this is kind of what I'm dealing with. Nothing simple for me, but really, this is probably the last really complicated piece that I might have to make. What I found was I had a piece of this metal that's really thick that I use for my desk, and I think what I'm going to do is make this piece two pieces. I'm going to take that across there, get it all buttoned in there right, and weld it in place, and then I'll probably take, let's see, I know I'm going to take, once I get this all square and stuff, I'll take another piece of sheet metal, and I'll try to bend an edge on it if I can, and then run it right across the top of this. That's kind of what my solution is. I don't know what else to do. I don't want to use the messy piece that I had before. I had tried this, the thing that I had broke my brake on. I just think that it's just a damn mess waiting to happen, so I'm not sure. I mean, who knows? I may go back to this, but it's kind of just where I'm at on it right now. Alright, guys. I had to clean up and straighten up this mess I had in here because I'm fixing to go back to work, unfortunately. I thought I was going to have a day to do this, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking maybe that I may go ahead and bend this thing some more and tighten it up and clean it up and go ahead and use that thing. Just because that, well, let me show you on the inside. What I got here, you know, I've got that, and it's kind of gnarly looking stuff, but I had that piece of my desk, and man, it fits. I mean, I clean that up and get that to fit the way I need it to. That's a pretty gnarly thick piece of metal. I think that could be the ticket, and then I'd have something really thick to try to dissipate some heat while making this piece, and then all of this stuff. Maybe, I don't know, not completely sure, but just thinking about it. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. Got a little bit done, not as much as I'd like to, but gotta get cleaned up and go do that real estate thing. So y'all take it easy, peace out, and go work on your bus.